Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Jules MOA here. And before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules MOA family. We're on the road to 1K. We're this close to hitting 1K. So that being said, please tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a family member to join the Jules MOA family. Now, you must have seen a preview announcing that I did pick up a few items from the P.Louise up to 80% Black Friday sales. Unfortunately, I didn't get all my products that I did purchase, where I will be having a part 2 to this video. In part 2, I will be announcing the rules in order to win the 1K giveaway. Guys, I'm not gonna lie either. Usually I like to open my packages on camera and be as surprised as you guys, as always, right? Even though I know what I purchased, but it's that adrenaline when you just open a new package and so on. I wanted to share that with you guys, as I usually do. But I was too excited. And on top of that, I've been waiting to receive my second package to just do one big haul from P.Louise. This package, I did pick up 3 items. One out of the 3 things that I did pick up is the P.Louise new palette. And this palette is called Watch the Queen Conquer. And this is basically what the palette looks like. The carton does look exactly the same, so there's that. One thing I do love is how unique her brain works. Like, look how unique this is. Now, which palette have you ever owned that you can turn your own palette into a game if you're bored with you and your girl? Like, seriously. Look how amazing this looks. Okay, so another reason why I delayed in recording this video is because my palette did break. Well, the mirror broke, and I'm currently waiting for them to send me a new palette. But this is the first side, and trust me, the colors are amazing. If you've ever owned a P.Louise palette, which to be honest, I feel like you should at least own one of her palettes, because the pigmentation, the blendability, spot on. Side 1. And then we have side 2. The color story is impeccable. In today's look, I did go in with both sides, so you will see that. And if you don't see me as energetic as I am currently, is because I've legit wiped off my eyes 2 times to try and get a look done. Like, yeah, this would be the 3rd time attempting a different look, because the first 2 times I've tried and just was not coming out to how I wanted it to. But this is the end result. I was like, I'm not wiping off my eyes anymore because they were starting to irritate me. So this is the end results of using the palette. Okay, so I will be showing you a few swatches on this side. Yes, I will be showing you guys a few swatches. So going in with a shimmer shade, that shade, this shade, and this shade. So we're going in with those 4 shades, and look how shiny that shimmer shade is. Like, wow. Wow, the swatches are not perfect, but these are a few on that side. One thing I will say from using this palette, you do have kickback, but it's nothing too dramatic. And for me, if it has a bit of kickback, means there's pigment. It's usually there's pigment. Okay, I'm going in with the pink side and take a few shades. I'm going in with this color, this color, this color. Going in with those 4 shades. Oh my god, look at the shimmers. Oh my god, that is beautiful. And look how pigmented they are as well. feel like this one is a duochrome shimmer shade. Next two items that I did pick up in part 1 is I did pick up Barbie Boom, and it's a lovely brown shade. Yeah, before this, I think I was using a black eyeliner and then go over with a brown shadow. So that is an alternative if you do not have enough coins to purchase this. And this is priced at £14 and it was on sale for £7. So this is meant to be the paint version of the original P.Louise Rumor bases in a more mattified form. There's that. And I did pick up this one in 2.5, and you will see me incorporate this in today's video. I think it's pretty good, but this shade does remind me close of Blank Canvas. If you guys do have it, then I don't think you need to pick up this, if that makes any sense. But the star of the show is originally priced at £60, but on the up to 85%, it went down to £36. Imagine I had to pick it up. I was gonna pick it up anyways, but I'm super happy that I did, because if you do own a P.Louise palette, this is also a good representation of how her palettes perform. Are easy to blend. The textures do feel different, as I previously mentioned, but it still performs well, if that makes sense. But you will see me go. So the first shade I'm taking in, and it's this shade right here. I'm just gonna pat that on like that. And this one I'm taking above my natural crease. Upside down C motion. I did not go and dip into the eyeshadow anymore. Now I'm going to clean my crease using my Cinema Secret bottle and I'm just going to carve right here. Taking the P.Louise base in Rumor 2.5. Take the shade right here called Conquest. take this shade right here called Victorious. I'm just gonna pop that onto this brown liner. This one is super soft, by the way. So those are the 3 items that I did pick up. I do hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will obviously be doing many more looks using this palette right here, so you guys don't have to worry if you went out your ways to purchase it and you want some ideas on looks to create. I will try and incorporate different technical and easy looks using this palette in the near future.